The natural texture and color of bamboo roller blinds give a fresh, natural look. The simple and generous design creates a sense of simplicity and tasteful atmosphere. If the wall is uneven, shims can be installed to solve the problem. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the location, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then, secure the mounting brackets. Finally, insert the headrail into the brackets. The unique texture of bamboo shades exudes a special natural flavor and artistic emotion.